Host is a DNS lookup utility, also an alternative to dig and NSLookup. It resolves domains to IP addresses and IPs to domain names. The benefit of it is it's mostly pre-installed on most Linux and BSD distributions and creates a short summary which hosts run behind an IP address and, as mentioned, vice versa. So we could run that with host google.com, and here we get a short summary of what's running behind that host name. So we can see an A record has been set with the IP address on the top. Then we have an IPv6 address as well as the mail exchange information. We can run the same here with -v, and then we get a verbose output, which gives again more context of what's happening there. So basically google.com, this IPv6 record has been set, and also here the A record for the normal IPv4 IP address, as well as the MX, the mail exchange information, which mail server basically google.com points to. Another thing we could just do is run the same thing for that IP address that is returned here. And then here we would see also the reverse record. All right.